everybody, and welcome back. Well, we are in a hotel, and that's because we are traveling. And I am apologizing for the way I look, but this is the way I travel when I take a road trip. I wear a t-shirt and a Lululemon leggings, and I try to stay as comfortable as possible. And that's just one of my tips and tricks. And that's what I'm going to talk about today is travel tips and tricks when you're staying in a hotel. You know that most hotels use only white towels. Well, I like to use a microfiber towel for my hair. And I have found that if I bring the most brightly colored microfiber towels with me, I will not leave these among their white towels because they're so hard to forget. Most of the hotels I stay in rarely have enough outlets for all of the appliances that I bring. So I usually bring an extension cord or a power strip, and then I can plug it in. I have my extension cord or power strip, and I can plug in my appliances. Sometimes I do it like I'm supposed to, sometimes not. There we go. And I'm good to go. You need to charge your phone and there aren't enough plug-ins. Well, I got this idea from BuzzFeed. You have your USB cord, you have your flat screen TV. You can always plug in your USB cord in the back, and most flat screen TVs do have a USB cord plug-in, and then you charge your phone and you're 100% ready. We all know how small a vanity can be in a hotel room. Well, if you need more space, find the ironing board and use it as additional counter space. I really don't like drinking water out of the hotel tap. I like my bottled water, but I don't like paying the price for the mini bar. So I pack a couple of bottles of water and I don't have to pay that high price. I hope some of these ideas have come in handy for you, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye!